How to change your username on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and you will be led to your profile. Here, tap on the edit button right beside your username and you will be led to the interface from where you can change your username. So, navigate to the username tab and tap on it, and now you will be allowed to change your name. Make sure that you can change your name only once in every 30 days. So, if you have not changed your username in past 30 days, then go ahead and make the required changes and then tap on the save button on the top right of your screen. In the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on the confirm button, and with this, as you can see, the username has been changed. So, this is how you can change your username in TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.